So I had to race, and I finished the oven in those last months because I couldn't sell the house to someone with a half-finished pizza oven. I made the first pizza in the oven the day after we moved out of the house. So it was an empty house. I went back to the house and we made our first pizzas that day. It was a fun experience. In the small number of times I used that pizza oven, I knew how much fun it was. We were making a bunch of pizzas. We invited friends over. They'd come in, like make a pizza, do it themselves and walk out, and other friends would come in. And we had this one afternoon where we just like did that for 3 hours. It was so much fun for our families, for all our friends. And I said, I can't let go of this. I know I'm selling the house, but I can't let go of this. So, you know, I turned to my wife and I said, this is a condition. I'm like, we moved, but I gotta have one of these pizza ovens in the house. And she said, okay, no problem. But as much as excited as I was to do it, I think I kind of didn't want to do the 200 hours of labor that it took to make that pizza oven. I thought maybe I could shave some of it off it. So I bought a kit, the CASA kit from Forno, which I felt for me was the right balance of I got to build a lot myself and sort of reproduce the experience of being able to say, yes, I built a pizza oven. But the kit made it so much easier than the one brick at a time that we had to do with our first oven. So, and I'm really into pita bread all of a sudden, and I just love watching it puff up. It's so much better than anything you can get in the supermarket. And you think you know what pita bread is, and then you make it fresh, and you're like, oh, that's pita bread. That's something else. That's way better.